Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an inside door handle on the front door of this 2004 Dodge Stratus, same as any 01 to 06, and the door handle on this vehicle is in fine shape, so we just take it off and put it back on just to show you. Tools you'll need are a flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, door panel clip tool, or a putty knife to pry out on the door panel, as well as a T20 Torx driver.
I use a small flat blade screwdriver, and down in the pull cup here, pry up a little trap door. There's a Phillips screw in there, and then in behind your door handle, there's another Phillips screw in there. Okay, and then there's 3 Phillips screws, one there, there, and then one on the back edge here.
Okay, just going to fast forward as I use a Phillips screwdriver and remove 6 screws in all.
Okay, this triangle up here can just pull out. All you need is a putty knife. Kind of get down in behind the door panel here, slide it down, pull it out, and start to pull the pins. And then the door panel comes up. Right here is your lock harness. The little button, press on that, disconnect. Okay, on your latch rod, there's a clip. Just going to reach in behind with my finger. Pull that clip off, and the rod comes up and off. And then lastly, down here, is your window harness. There's a button right in the middle. You really got to push that button and then work the harness out. Okay, and your door panel's off. Once your door panel's off, you want to check these aqua clip pins here, because there could be pins stuck inside them. Use a pair of needle nose pliers, pull the pins out, and then reinstall them on the inside of your door panel. Okay, with your door panel off, here's the back of your door handle. A lot of times what will happen is this lever here will break, or the shaft that holds everything together will break. There's 2 T20 Torx screws right here.
Okay, and fast forward here as we remove those 2 T20 Torx screws.
Okay, and now your handle comes right out. Okay, so here my handle is in fine shape, so I'm just going to show you this. You would want to remove your switch here, use a screwdriver, kind of pry out, and pull the switch. And pull it out. And obviously then you'd put the switch back in your new handle. Okay. The 3 tabs are on the bottom, so just put it right back in. Start my 2 screws.
And fast forward here again as we start those 2 screws and tighten them up with a T20 Torx driver.
And pull this clip out like that. Put your door panel back on. First reconnect your power window switch. Make sure it clicks. Bring it close. Reconnect your power door locks. Okay. Take this rod, put it into the hole, and slip the clip right around, flip it on. Okay, make sure your lock goes through. There is a large locating tab, goes into a big hole. Once you've got that, make sure your pins go in. Cheat back, make sure all the pins go in correctly. Okay, and now it's just a matter of replacing all the Phillips screws.
Okay, so we'll speed up as we replace all those screws. And there was one down in the door cup, behind the door panel, 3 at the bottom, and then 1 at the back. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.